Preparing your landscaping location and installing Dakota Tin's corrugated edging couldn't be easier. Using either a shovel or spade to trace and prepare the soil for your edging is a great way to save time during your project and ensure the design of your layout remains consistent during installation. Landscaping fabric can also be placed at this time to overlap the trace of your design for a more secure integration with your edging during installation. To prevent damage to the edging during installation, hold the edging upright with a block of wood acting as a buffer between your hand and the top of the edging. With your other hand, use a hammer or mallet to tap the edging into place, ensuring at least a third of the edging is underground. Dakota Tin's corrugated edging can easily be trimmed to size using a straight cut tin snips. For projects where multiple panels will be used, overlap the corrugate and place a wooden garden stake behind the overlap. Secure the panels together and to the wooden garden stake by using self-drilling sheet metal screws and a screw gun. For installations where your edging will be above ground, wooden garden stakes will help shape your design and secure the edging. Drive the wooden garden stakes into the desired edging location. Again, use self-drilling sheet metal screws and a screw gun to attach the edging to the wooden garden stakes. With multiple styles and dimensions, the creative possibilities are endless with Dakota Tin's corrugated edging.